Welcome, I'm say Doogee X80, and today I'll show you how to go through the setup process of the device. So, as you can see, it pops up with the improvement location accuracy, and if you press disagree, it will probably come up again, because why would you be able to disagree? But disregarding that, on the first page you will have the language select, so select your desired language, which I'm gonna stick with English. From here, tap on Start. And then you have Connect to a mobile network. So this is just a place where you can insert your SIM card if you want to, and basically connect to Wi-Fi through, well, mobile data. Now I'm gonna completely skip this for now, because it doesn't really make any difference if you insert a SIM card right now or later on. At the moment you do insert it, it works basically flawlessly without any kind of problem. So from here, on the next page, you can connect to Wi-Fi. This step is again optional. You can connect to it or not. If you choose to skip it, which I am, the only thing you'll miss out on is the ability to log into your Google account and restore the device from an old Google Cloud backup. But you can still do that later on after the setup is complete, but just through settings instead of having it neatly provided on one of the steps through setup. So from here, we have date and time, so simply choose the time and date, which it is almost correct for me, just the time isn't. I believe that's because of the time zone being incorrect, but there we go, now it's correct. So let's tap on next, and then the name. Now if you choose to leave this empty, the device will select the name of the device itself as the name, and that is only relevant in terms of like Google, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, or well, mobile hotspots, where the name of the device, or basically this, is used as the name of the hotspot or Bluetooth or your device when you're trying to connect to Bluetooth to it. So whatever you select here will be basically substituted, and instead of then normally it would be called the Doogee X80, probably something like that. And whatever you insert here, so for instance John Smith, it will then be called, instead of Doogee X80, John Smith. So I'm gonna keep it empty. I'm not bothered with the stock name. And then we have the unlock with fingerprint, so you can set up a fingerprint and also pin pattern or password. Now if you choose to tap next, it will give you the option which one you want to select. So pattern, pin, password. I'm gonna go with the pattern. Now also this is a way to set up pin pattern or password without the fingerprint, which is kind of misleading, but once you set it up, as you will see, it goes forward, and here you can set the fingerprint, or you can just simply skip it and it will keep still the pattern that I have set. Then we have Google services, so we have location, localization, and send user and diagnostic data. Now you can read what each one of them does through here, and if you don't want it, simply disable it. Although things like Google Maps and a couple additional apps will require location, so when you try to launch them, it will basically prompt you to enable it for either, I don't know, for it to work correctly or just to work at all. From here, let's tap on accept, and then anything else, no thanks, and we should be right about done with the setup after we agree to terms of service and privacy policy. So let's accept and continue, and there we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.